After you download an Applications and Threats content update, a Review Apps link is displayed in the web interface. Click the Review Apps link. The window that opens lists all new or updated application signatures included in the content update. To assess possible impact to policy enforcement by any new application signatures, look in the New Apps section. We'll click the application 104 ASDU File Transfer Type 120. Notice that this application was previously identified as 104 ASDU File Transfer. Your security policy would have to be updated to allow the application using this new and more granular application name. The Depends On field lists the application signatures that this app ID relies on in order to uniquely identify this application. There is nothing listed for this application. If there were, then you would have to add any listed applications to your security policy. However, if we scroll down and click Bibo Base beneath Modified Apps, then we see the application Bibo Base depends on the application web browsing. For your security policy to allow Bibo Base, it would also have to allow web browsing. By default, all application signatures should be enabled. The App ID Enabled field should be empty or contain a yes, which means the application signature is enabled and can be used to detect applications in network traffic. All app IDs should display as enabled when a content release is downloaded unless you choose to manually disable the application signature during the content update installation process. To assess possible impact to policy enforcement by modified application signatures, we'll select Oracle in our example. Look at the Expanded Coverage field. Notice that the application used to be identified as unknown TCP and is now identified as Oracle. You must add the application Oracle to your security policy to ensure access to this application. Some modified applications might include a Remove False Positives field. This field indicates how the application's coverage has changed to be either more comprehensive or narrower. If you had modified your security policy to accommodate this false positive, then you might have to modify the policy again after the false positive has been corrected.